This is Garrett, the creator of Toolforest. In this video, I'll show you how to hook Anki up to your favorite AI chatbot so it can create and review flashcards right inside your Anki collection. First things first, head to app.toolforest.io and create an account. I'm signing up with Google here, but a regular email works just as well. Once you're in, create an MCP server. This tells Toolforest which chatbot you're connecting. I'm picking Claude, but any MCP-capable chatbot works, and toolforest.io has setup guides for each one. Next, hook Claude up to that server. Over on the Connect page, the portal has instructions for every major chatbot. For Claude, just click the connectors link. That takes you straight into Claude's settings. Add a custom connector, name it Toolforest, and type in the MCP URL from the instructions. Hit Add, then Connect. Claude sends you over to Toolforest to authorize it. One click on Approve and you're bounced right back. And that's Claude connected. One-time setup, and it covers every toolkit on your account. So here's the toolkits page. Over on the Learning tab, there's an Anki toolkit, and right now it's not connected. It hooks up through a little add-on inside Anki itself. Let me show you how to set that up. The add-on lives on AnkiWeb. In Anki, open Tools, then Add-ons, hit Get Add-ons, and enter the Toolforest Bridge code. You'll find it in the Anki docs on toolforest.io. Once it downloads, restart Anki. Download complete, restart, and you're set. After the restart, you get this Toolforest button up in the toolbar. I'll click it, hit connect, and the bridge hands me a one-time device code. I'll copy that and let it take me straight to the activation page. Now I'm on the Toolforest activation page. I paste in the code. Hit connect Anki and things are connected. Anki and Toolforest are talking. Back in the portal, the Anki toolkit now shows up as connected. Anything plugged into this Toolforest account, like Claude, can use Anki tools now. Next, I'm going to give you some examples of the things you can do with the Toolforest Anki server. First, I'm going to show you an example of turning an article or your lecture notes into Anki quizzes. I've attached a short article on how spaced repetition works, and I'm asking Claude for 10 flashcards following the 20 rules of formulating knowledge. Claude reads the article, pulls out the facts worth keeping, and writes the cards straight into Anki through the Toolforest Bridge. No tunnels, no port forwarding, the add-on just dials out. 10 cards, and each one tests exactly one fact. That's the 20 rules doing their job. And over in Anki, there's the deck. These are real studyable cards. Clean question, clean answer. One article to a study-ready deck in about a minute. Second, I'm going to show you an example of fixing the flashcards you keep failing. I certainly have a few of these. Anki knows exactly which ones they are, so let's make Claude fix them. I'm asking it to find my problem cards in this deck and rewrite the worst offenders. It digs through the review history, finds the 5 cards I keep hitting again, and spots what they have in common. Every one of them crams too many facts into one card, so it splits them. 5 tangled cards become clean single fact cards, rewritten right there in my collection. That's not card making, that's deck surgery based on how you actually study. Third, I'm going to show you an example of building a complete style vocabulary deck from scratch. This one's for language learners. I'm asking Claude for a Japanese setup, a custom note type with fields for kanji, furigana, meaning, and an example sentence, dark theme, styled with CSS, plus a starter deck of beginner words. It designs the note type, writes the style sheet, and fills the deck. 8 words, each with its reading, meaning, and a sentence to anchor it. There's the whole table it built. And here's the part I love. the cards themselves. Big centered kanji on the front. Flip it. Reading, meaning, example sentence. Claude wrote that CSS on the fly. Head to toolforest.io, connect your chatbot, and see what your flashcards can do.